Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: SFS installed, project saved, and a clear target object. Enter clip mode now. Use menu right arrow tools, right arrow clip, or press Ctrl+K because clipping requires the special toolset. Select the object you want to clip and the camera that frames it. This keeps perspective consistent. Next, set snapping to 0.5 or switch to free movement if you need fine control. Once done, position the first control handle near the edge where the cut will begin, and prepare to make the initial incision. Now focus on the core execution. Use the knife tool to trace a controlled curve along your planned seam, toggling between X and Y planes so the cut follows surface contours. Once you have the raw cut, switch to vertex mode to adjust inner points. Grab, slide, and relax them to prevent pinching or unnatural folds. If a harsh edge appears, apply a 1 to 3 pixel feather or the smooth tool to blend geometry. Make incremental edits and preview from multiple angles to ensure the clip reads correctly. Finish by applying the clip and freezing transforms so changes are permanent, then export using the format and scale required by your pipeline. Check textures and normals carefully, reproject UVs or flip normals if shading looks wrong. If seams or artifacts remain, don't panic. Undo to the last stable save and rework only the small problematic region because iterative fixes preserve the good work. One key troubleshooting tip: if geometry collapses, toggle off snap and manually nudge vertices back into place before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.